If someone told you to blend onion, pineapple, and honey into a drink, you might hesitate at first, but don't let the unusual combo fool you. This powerful juice blend is making waves for a reason. Packed with antioxidants, enzymes, and natural antibacterial compounds, this trio offers gentle, effective support for your immune system, joints, lungs, and more. Let's explore 15 surprising benefits of this natural drink, and don't miss the easy recipe at the end. 15 gentle health benefits of onion, pineapple, and honey juice. 1. Eases joint discomfort. Onions contain quercetin and pineapple brings bromelain, both known to calm inflammation naturally. Together, they may offer relief for stiff or achy joints. 2. Strengthens immunity. Pineapple's vitamin C plus honey's antibacterial goodness make this juice a daily immune-boosting ally, especially during seasonal changes. 3. Gently supports lung health. Onions help loosen mucus while pineapple enzymes support clear breathing. A comforting choice if you're dealing with congestion or respiratory irritation. 4. Aids healthy digestion. Bromelain in pineapple encourages smooth digestion, while onion's prebiotics help nourish your gut's good bacteria. 5. May help balance blood sugar. Onion contains plant compounds that may support more stable blood sugar when consumed regularly, especially helpful with mindful eating. Supports bone strength. Pineapple is rich in manganese and vitamin C, two key nutrients for maintaining healthy bones and connective tissues. 7. Fights off harmful bacteria. Honey and onion are both known for their natural antibacterial properties. This combo can gently support your body's defenses inside and out. 8. Promotes radiant skin. The antioxidants in this juice may help combat free radicals, promoting clearer, more vibrant-looking skin. 9. Encourages heart wellness. Onions may help reduce cholesterol and improve circulation, making this drink a gentle daily habit for heart-conscious living. 10. Soothes coughs and throat irritation. This juice acts as a natural throat soother. It may help calm coughs and ease the discomfort of dryness or soreness. 11. Boosts natural energy. Pineapple contains vitamin B1 and natural sugars for a light energy lift, while honey adds a quick, healthy burst of vitality. 12. Supports healthy weight goals. Low in fat and rich in enzymes, this drink may gently support your metabolism and help reduce bloating when used alongside a balanced lifestyle. 13. Nourishes vision. Pineapple has vitamin A and beta-carotene, both essential for maintaining healthy eyes and protecting against everyday strain. 14. Assists liver detox. Sulfur compounds in onion, along with pineapple's enzymes, can naturally support the liver in its daily cleansing work. 15. Provides antioxidant protection. All three ingredients are rich in antioxidants, which help your cells stay strong and protected from oxidative stress. How to make onion, pineapple, and honey juice. You'll need 1 small red onion, peeled and chopped, 1 cup fresh pineapple chunks, 1 tablespoon raw honey, 1/2 cup filtered water, optional. Instructions. Add chopped onion and pineapple to a blender. Add a splash of water if you like a thinner texture. Blend until smooth. Strain if you prefer a clearer juice. Stir in the honey while it's still fresh. Best enjoyed once daily on an empty stomach for gentle support. If you found this video helpful, give it a thumbs up, share it with a friend, and don't forget to subscribe for more natural wellness tips.